All right. I'm Kelsey. On Instagram, I am Moon Kisses with 3 spaces between Moon and Kisses. And on Facebook, I'm Moon Kisses. And on Pinterest, I am Moon Kisses. I like moons. Okay, this group here is called Kelsey's Cinchshare Training. I absolutely love Cinchshare. It has been a total game changer for my direct sales business. And I'm going to share with you that if I can do it, you can do it. Let's close people's messages. Okay. The first thing that you want to do is you've created a group, right, on Facebook. This is just one way you can share using Cinchshare. And then you have to add the app. So go to, oops, I meant to click group settings. All right, edit group settings. I've already done it, so you didn't have to sit here and wait, but I'm going to show you where to do it. It's a big question people have. How do you add Cinchshare? Right here, add apps. I clicked add apps. I waited until the apps loaded. I typed in Cinchshare. I clicked add Cinchshare. Done. Okay, then you can edit the rest of your settings. I'll be adding a photo here later. All right, so now we're going to go to Cinchshare. You can try Cinchshare for 2 weeks for free. I will share my link, and you can click on that and try it for free and join my group for free training. All right, here are all of my networks. And look, here's Kelsey's Cinchshare Training. I'm going to click the little heart. Did you see the heart go from blue to black? Right here. Okay, so now that's one of my favorites, so I can post it there. All right, now I'm going to go over here to Manage Post, and we're going to do a batch posting. This is incredible. It's incredible. It is so easy now to have parties. I no longer have to rely on Facebook to store scheduled post. I am selecting all of these by clicking in the right-hand corner. These are all just an example of what we can do. I've selected all of the posts, and I'm going to click on this little triple bar up here in the right under my name. And I'm going to click batch post, and it already says I'm going to post 6 pictures. Batch post. All right, this is so amazing. Right here at the top, here's my groups, Kelsey's Cinchshare Training. I click that. All right, we're going to start right now, Sunday, September 13th. I'm going to start it at 11:15, and I'm going to have them go every 5 minutes. I'll just leave it right there. I'm in the Central Time Zone, and I click Apply Interval, Schedule Batch. The scheduled date has already passed. Okay, let's see. Let's try it at 11:16. All right. Here we go. It's thinking. All right, I have so many folders over here. As you can see on the left, I have just gotten all these pictures off of my phone. I've opened up a ton of storage on my phone. I can get new pictures of content that I want to do. Cinchshare gives me free things to post. They give me, here's interactive posts for my business that I can use. All right, all about my Zaya. And then here we've got Friday freebies. Okay, if you join Cinchshare, they give you Friday freebies. Interaction in my group has improved drastically since I started using Cinchshare. I batch posted a bunch of these, so I don't even have to think about it. Fun, engaging posts are getting published to my group, my parties, all of the time. All right, we are almost there to, it's almost 11:16 when I started. I'm going to refresh Kelsey's Cinchshare Training, and you're going to see the first post. I scheduled them for every 5 minutes. Sorry, it's slow. We should see that first post there. Waiting. Okay, I'm going to refresh one more time. It could not be easier, and I will keep the videos coming as to how to use Cinchshare. But batch posting was a really big deal for me. It made my